Welcome to the world of Potato Corner, where your snack business dreams can become a reality. Today, let's explore the enticing opportunities provided by Potato Corner's diverse franchise packages. If you're considering venturing into the snack industry in the Philippines, Potato Corner could be the perfect fit for you. Let's kick things off by delving into the school cart package, tailored for those eyeing strategic spots within educational institutions such as high schools and colleges. This package is priced at an affordable 257,600 pesos, covering key elements including a 12% value-added tax, a 100,000 pesos franchise fee valid for 3 years, initial supplies valued at 2,000 pesos a cart, and a full set of equipment, including a fryer and freezer. Additionally, it encompasses 2 uniform sets for your staff and various tools to support your cart. For those aiming beyond the school setting, the standard cart package offers a slightly higher-priced alternative at 431,000 pesos. This comprehensive package, inclusive of a 12% value-added tax, a 150,000 pesos franchise fee valid for 5 years, initial supplies worth 5,000 pesos, and a cart also includes necessary equipment and uniforms. Don't forget the renewal fee of 75,000 pesos, securing your franchise for an additional 5 years. Dreaming of expanding your business with ample space? Consider the kiosk, inline counter, or inline dine-in packages. Tailored for larger locations, these options come with total investment packages ranging from 400,000 pesos to 800,000 pesos. Renewal fees for these packages are either 75,000 pesos or 100,000 pesos, providing an extended franchise validity of 5 years. Before you start, it's essential to understand what Potato Corner's packages won't cover. Factors such as your actual location, space costs, government documents like City Hall plaques, Department of Health certificates, barangay permits, and manpower need independent attention. Once you're ready to apply, prepare a formal letter of intent, a completed application form, 2 valid IDs, a marketing study, and a location offer sheet. Additionally, a comprehensive analysis of your proposed location, including foot traffic and market dynamics, is crucial for a successful application. Concerning manpower, 2 personnel are recommended for opening and closing shifts, with Potato Corner covering their training during a 6-day program. This covers the basics of the brand, cooking procedures, and day-to-day operations. After submitting all requirements, Potato Corner conducts a site visit, followed by a grant meeting and contract signing. Your fees will be settled during this phase, initiating the construction of your cart. Once your crew is trained and the cart is ready, you can finally open your Potato Corner cart for business. But the big question remains: how much can you earn? Based on Potato Corner's projections, with daily sales amounting to 5,500 pesos, you could potentially earn a net profit of at least 32,576 pesos monthly after deducting expenses such as food, electricity, rent, and labor costs. Ready to dive into the Potato Corner franchise? Attend one of their free introductory seminars every Friday at 2 p.m. in their Luzon office. For those in Visayas or Mindanao, Potato Corner has offices in your location where you can seek information. So, if you're craving success and flavor, Potato Corner may just be the business opportunity you've been searching for. Dive in and turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality.